Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best laundry bag is probably one of the most underrated tools in your laundry arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Mesh Delicates laundry bags, exploring why they're a must-have for anyone looking to protect their delicate garments. From lingerie to sweaters, these bags offer a simple yet effective solution to prevent snags, tears, and tangling during the wash cycle, ensuring your favorite clothes stay in top condition for longer. Let's get started. Number 5. BAGAIL Mesh Laundry Bags for Delicates, 5 PCS. This bag features a side elastic cover that prevents accidental openings. It also protects the zipper and avoids scratches on your clothes. This design provides triple protection for your peace of mind. This set includes multiple sizes, perfect for sorting clothes by size, color, and material. It prevents dyeing and color bleeding, preserving the original colors of your garments. These laundry bags are made of high-quality, wear-resistant fabric with a sturdy structure. They withstand high-speed tumbling and friction in washers and dryers, preventing snags, tears, and excessive wear on your clothes. Made of smooth, soft mesh fabric, it gently wraps delicate clothes, reducing friction and deformation. It's ideal for protecting fine fabrics, underwear, and intimate wear, extending their lifespan. The specially designed breathable mesh ensures full water and air penetration. This allows washers to remove dirt thoroughly and dryers to dry clothes evenly and quickly. This makes it an essential item for efficient laundry care. What we like? This set features a zipper protection design, ensuring your delicates stay secure. The multiple sizes allow you to sort clothes precisely. If you have a variety of delicate items and want to keep them organized and protected during washing, you should consider this. What people say. The mesh allows water and detergent to flow through easily while providing excellent protection. The zippers have a cover that prevents them from snagging other clothes in the wash, which is a thoughtful detail. The set includes larger ones that I can use for sweaters to keep them from being pulled. Number 4. GOGOODA 7 PCS Mesh Laundry Bags. Introducing a complete laundry solution. This set of mesh bags comes in 7 different sizes to meet all your washing needs. It's perfect for delicates, lingerie, and more. These mesh bags protect your garments from tangling and damage in the washer and dryer. They also help prevent colors from bleeding. It's great for organizing clothes when traveling. Made from strong, long-lasting polypropylene nylon, these bags are built to last. Soap and water flow easily through the mesh for optimal cleaning, making them reusable. The rust-free zippers have an auto-lock function to prevent opening during washing. A side zipper cover provides extra protection, keeping the bag closed and safeguarding your clothes. Choose these laundry mesh bags to protect your delicates and extend their service life. They're also a great helper for organizing your luggage when you travel, saving you money in the long run. These reinforced mesh garment bags allow you to machine wash and dry delicates safely. No more torn lace or missing socks. It provides 360 degrees protection for bras, stockings, and baby items. What we like? This product offers a perfect combination of protection and organization with its multiple sizes. The rust-free zippers with auto-lock function provide extra security. If you are looking for a comprehensive laundry solution that protects your clothes and helps you organize them, you should consider this. What people say. The mesh is fine enough to protect delicates. The zipper is well made and doesn't snag. The bags are a good size for bras, lingerie, and other small items. Number 3. MDSXO 3-pack Mesh Laundry Bags for Delicates. You'll receive a pack of 3 small laundry bags. Each bag comes with a convenient hanging loop for easy storage, helping you save space. These bags are perfect for protecting your delicates. These mesh washing bags are made of durable polyester. The honeycomb mesh design allows for smooth water flow and effective cleaning. It protects your clothes without hindering the washing process. Made from 100% breathable polyester fiber, the bags are hygienic and safe, with no unpleasant odors. The tight edging and reinforced seams make them very durable. This ensures the items inside are well protected. The bags feature a protective cover over the zipper to prevent damage to your clothes. This design ensures that the zipper won't snag or catch on other items during washing. It's best to fill the bag about 70% full for optimal cleaning. Avoid overfilling the washing machine. Also, be careful not to pull the zipper all the way to the end to prevent it from coming off. What we like. This product features a hanging loop design for easy storage. The breathable mesh design ensures gentle cleaning. If you like a space-saving and hygienic laundry solution for your delicates, you should consider this. What people say. The mesh is fine and the zipper is good. The bags are great for washing delicates. These bags are perfect for lingerie and other delicate items. Number 2. OTraki Mesh Laundry Bags. These medium-sized mesh bags, measuring 16 by 20 inches, are perfect for protecting your delicate clothing. They are designed to extend the life of your lingerie, bras, and other delicate items. You can use them at home, in a dorm, or while traveling. The bags feature an updated rust-proof metal zipper with a side cover for added protection. This prevents the zipper from snagging on other items in the wash. The design ensures the bag's durability and longevity. Made from 100% polyester, the bags use an environmentally friendly and breathable mesh material. The fine mesh with small holes effectively filters out dust and dirt. This helps to keep your clothes clean and protected. These bags are designed to protect your delicates from wear and tear in the washing machine and dryer. They prevent tangling, snagging, and deformation. This ensures your clothes stay in good condition. Remember to slide the zipper head into the flap to keep it secure during washing and drying. This ensures a quiet and safe wash cycle. These bags are a simple yet effective way to care for your clothes. What we like. This product is designed with a rust-proof metal zipper and durable material. The medium size is perfect for washing delicate clothes. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting laundry bag to protect your delicates, you should consider this. What people say. The mesh is fine enough that it protects the delicates well. The zipper is well made and doesn't snag. These bags are great for washing bras and other delicates. Number 1. OTraki 2-pack Mesh Laundry Bags. This set includes 2 medium-sized mesh laundry bags, each measuring 24 by 20 inches. They are designed for washing delicate items like underwear and lingerie. It is perfect for protecting your clothes. Made from high-quality polyester, these bags are breathable and prevent odors. The fine mesh design with small holes effectively filters out dust and dirt. The sturdy mesh ensures long-term durability. These mesh laundry bags are versatile for various uses at home, in college dorms, or while camping. You can also use them to organize kids' beach toys or camping supplies. It is a great helper for your life. The drawstring closure keeps your items secure during transport to the laundry room. Remember to tuck the excess drawstring inside the bag before washing. This design can prevent items from falling out. These laundry bags are perfect protectors from tearing and wearing in the washing machine. They take care of your delicates, preventing tangling, snagging, or deformation in the washer or dryer. It is a must-have for your clothes. What we like. This product features a drawstring closure for secure storage. The breathable mesh design keeps odors away. If you like a versatile laundry bag that can also be used for travel and storage, you should consider this. What people say. The mesh is fine and the zipper is good. These bags are great for washing delicates. They are well made and the zipper is sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.